The Water Cycle, Journey of a Water Drop. Hi there, I'm Wally the Water Drop. I live in the ocean now, but I'm about to go on an incredible adventure. It's called the water cycle, and I've done it for millions of years. When the sun shines, it heats up the water around me. And guess what happens? I start to change. I turn into an invisible gas called water vapor and float into the sky. This part is called evaporation. As I rise higher into the sky, the air gets colder. That cool air turns me back into a tiny droplet of water again. When lots of droplets like me stick together, we make a cloud. That's called condensation. Clouds get bigger and heavier the more water they hold. Eventually, they can't hold us anymore. Splash. We fall back to Earth as precipitation, rain, snow, or hail. This time, I fall as rain onto a mountain. From there, I begin to flow downhill, joining little streams and rivers. This part of my journey is called runoff. Some of me flows into a river or lake. Some of me sinks into the ground and becomes groundwater, deep beneath the soil. All of this water eventually makes its way back to the ocean. This step is called collection, when water gathers to wait for the cycle to begin again. Let's see the full cycle together. First, the sun heats the water, that's evaporation. Then, vapor cools and becomes clouds, condensation. The clouds get heavy and water falls, precipitation. Finally, the water gathers again in rivers, lakes, and oceans, collection. And guess what? It starts all over again. Here are a few cool facts. Evaporation happens faster when it's hot and windy. Precipitation isn't just rain, it can be snow, hail, or sleet too. Plants help the cycle with something called transpiration. That's when water comes out of their leaves as vapor. And now I'm back in the ocean, right where I started. But the sun is shining again, which means it's time to begin the water cycle all over again. Let's review. Evaporation, water turns to vapor. Condensation, clouds form. Precipitation, rain or snow falls. Collection, water gathers in oceans and lakes. And that, my friends, is the amazing water cycle. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning about our awesome planet.